You wake with a start, heart pounding in your chest as if jolted from a nightmare. The clock reads 7 a.m., yet an unnatural darkness envelops your room, an unsettling sight for this time of day. Disoriented and anxious, you stumble to the window expecting to see the familiar glow of dawn breaking through the horizon. Instead, you are met with an eerie twilight gloom that sends a shiver down your spine as if the world itself is holding its breath. A fine grey powder blankets everything in sight, muffling sound and transforming the once vibrant landscape into a ghostly, unrecognizable version of itself. The air hangs heavy, thick with the acrid scent of sulfur, making it difficult to breathe without covering your nose and mouth. The world as you knew it has vanished, buried beneath a suffocating blanket of volcanic ash, transforming the once bustling cityscape into a silent, desolate wasteland. This is not a scene from a science fiction film, nor a distant memory from ancient history. This is the stark reality of a supervolcanic eruption, an event with the power to reshape the world in an instant. The silence is perhaps the most unnerving aspect, a silence that seems to stretch on forever, amplifying the sense of isolation. Gone is the usual morning chorus of birdsong, replaced by an unsettling quiet. This silence speaks volumes, echoing the magnitude of the disaster. It whispers of nature's raw power, a power capable of altering the course of civilization in a heartbeat, reminding us of our fragility. The world holds its breath, waiting, wondering what will come next. In this suspended moment, humanity stands on the brink, contemplating the future in the shadow of nature's fury. Supervolcanoes are not your typical cone-shaped mountains spewing lava. They are far more complex and exponentially more dangerous. These hidden threats often lurk beneath the most picturesque landscapes, where you might least expect them. Their immense power is masked by sprawling crater lakes or geothermal fields, making them appear serene and harmless to the untrained eye. These geological giants dwarf their more common volcanic counterparts, both in size and potential impact, stretching across vast areas. Forget the fiery explosions and rivers of molten rock. Supervolcano eruptions are a different beast altogether. They unleash unimaginable quantities of ash and gas, blanketing vast areas in suffocating debris, disrupting climates and ecosystems on a global scale. The Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI, measures the power of eruptions, giving us a scale to understand their magnitude and potential for destruction. Regular volcanoes might reach a VEI of 4 or 5, which is already quite significant and can cause considerable damage. But a supervolcano eruption? It starts at 8, indicating a cataclysmic event that can alter the course of history. That's 1,000 times more powerful than the Mount St. Helens eruption in 1980, which was already devastating and left a lasting impact. Imagine the devastation of that eruption, then multiply it exponentially. The scale is almost beyond comprehension. That's the potential of a supervolcano. It's a force of nature that could alter the course of human history and reshape the planet in ways we can scarcely imagine. The Earth bears the scars of past supervolcano eruptions, colossal events that have not only shaped the planet's surface but also dramatically influenced its climate and ecosystems. One such scar lies beneath Yellowstone National Park, a vast and beautiful landscape that hides a simmering giant with a history of explosive violence. This giant is not just a collection of hot springs and geysers, but a supervolcano with the potential to unleash catastrophic power that could alter the course of human history. Around 630,000 years ago, Yellowstone erupted with unimaginable force, ejecting over 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash and rock into the atmosphere, creating a volcanic winter that lasted for years. That's enough to bury a city the size of Tokyo under a kilometer of debris, a staggering amount that would have devastating effects on modern civilization, disrupting air travel, agriculture and daily life. But Yellowstone is not alone. Lake Toba in Indonesia, another supervolcano, erupted around 74,000 years ago, creating a massive caldera and sending ash clouds across the globe. This eruption affected global climates, leading to a volcanic winter that some scientists believe nearly drove humanity to extinction. The Campi Flegrei caldera near Naples, Italy, and the Long Valley caldera in California are just a few examples of these sleeping giants, each with the potential to unleash forces that could alter life on Earth as we know it. Each eruption left its mark on the planet, altering climates, decimating ecosystems, and shaping the course of human history. The aftermath of these eruptions can be seen in the layers of ash and rock that blanket the landscape, telling a story of destruction and rebirth. These past events serve as stark reminders of the immense power that lies dormant beneath our feet, a power that could awaken at any time, reminding us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. The question is not if, but when, the next supervolcano will erupt. Predicting the exact timing of a supervolcanic eruption is a monumental challenge, but scientists are tirelessly monitoring these sleeping giants for any signs of unrest. They scrutinize ground deformation, track changes in heat flow, measure increased gas emissions, and observe the frequency and intensity of earthquakes. These indicators can signal an impending eruption. By meticulously studying these precursors, scientists can issue timely warnings, giving communities precious time to prepare for the unimaginable. Awareness and education are crucial. We must educate ourselves about the potential threats in our regions, understand the risks, and stay informed about any signs of volcanic unrest. Knowledge and preparedness can make all the difference. The immediate aftermath would be nothing short of apocalyptic. A colossal column of ash and gas would be ejected miles into the atmosphere, turning day into night and engulfing the surrounding region in an eerie darkness. Pyroclastic flows, avalanches of superheated gas and volcanic debris would race across the landscape at terrifying speeds, incinerating everything in their path. Even those far from the initial blast zone wouldn't escape the devastation. Ash would rain down for hundreds, even thousands of miles, collapsing roofs under its weight, contaminating water supplies and grounding air travel indefinitely. Communication networks would be disrupted, power grids would fail, and the very air we breathe would become toxic, filled with fine ash particles. The world would be thrust into a state of chaos and uncertainty, as humanity grapples with the immediate and far-reaching consequences of such a cataclysmic event. The long-term consequences of a supervolcanic eruption are nothing short of cataclysmic. Imagine the sky darkening as massive plumes of ash and sulfur dioxide are thrust into the stratosphere, reflecting sunlight and plunging the Earth into a volcanic winter. Global temperatures could nosedive, causing widespread crop failures, severe food shortages, and a famine that could affect millions. The intricate balance of ecosystems would be thrown into chaos, potentially leading to mass extinctions of both flora and fauna. Economies around the globe would crumble, and the very fabric of society would be stretched to its breaking point. The Earth would be irrevocably altered, a stark reminder of nature's unparalleled power to reshape our world. Surviving a supervolcanic eruption demands meticulous planning and thorough preparation. Stockpiling essential supplies like non-perishable food, clean water, and protective masks is paramount. Equally important is having a well-equipped first aid kit to handle medical emergencies. Constructing or identifying a robust shelter that can shield you from ashfall and harsh weather conditions is vital. Beyond physical survival, maintaining mental health is crucial. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can be incredibly beneficial. The psychological impact of such a catastrophic event is profound. Building resilient communities and fostering strong support networks are essential for coping with stress and anxiety, paving the way for a smoother recovery journey. The prospect of a supervolcanic eruption is undeniably terrifying, serving as a stark reminder of the immense and awe-inspiring power of the natural world. Yet, it is not an insurmountable threat. By comprehending the risks, preparing meticulously for the worst, and fostering a spirit of collaboration, we can significantly enhance our chances of survival and adeptly navigate the myriad challenges of a post-eruption world. Let this be a clarion call to action. Educate yourselves thoroughly, prepare your families diligently, and actively engage with your communities. The future may be shrouded in uncertainty, but by confronting it head-on, with unwavering courage, resilience, and a spirit of collective action, humanity can and will endure, emerging stronger and more united than ever before.